Pondering Creations Farm is officially open weekends 10 to 5, or book an appointment during the week. Houseplants are restocked. We've got a lot of nature-inspired home decor and garden art, unique gifts, fairy garden accessories, and little air plants, beeswax candles, honey coming soon, and lots of antiques and new items. Here's our Connecticut-made section where we have lots of different small businesses consigning with us so you can support local. Sweetest Pie Essential Oils is officially fully stocked. We've got lots of stuff made in the USA or Amish made, and of course we have everything you need for ponds, including fish. See you soon.